So my dear friend, this moment we are going to see about what dear friend, what is the pickling and pickling in Python. See, first you need to understand what is the pickling. See, pickling is the process of what dear friend, in fact, the pickling is the process of storing the objects into the file. It is the process of storing the state of an object into the file. Let's have a look here, how to store the objects into the file. Example, this is a what dear friend, just your file. So what is my requirement is actually I want to write an object into the file. This is what your friend just our file. So just a file name is something like what your friend einfo. Einfo is the name of the file. Info is the name of that file. So in this file, what is my requirement is I want to write an object. I want to write an object. So the process of writing or process of storing the state of an object into the file is called what your friend pickling. I repeat, process of storing the state of an object into the file is called what your friend pickling. Let's have a look here. Now my requirement here is it is an employee class object. Assume it, my dear friend. This is an employee class object. Yeah, this is a class. This is an object of the class employee, but it is having some fields like this. Yeah, friend. This is having some fields like employee number. Next one employee name and salary. Employee number. This is the one field and the employee name is another field and the employee salary is another field. Yeah, we have some fields in this object, my dear friend. This is an object of what your friend class employee. Now my requirement is what your friend, just I want to write this object into the file. See, moment only I said you, the process of storing the state of an object into the file is called what your friend, just a pickling. So process of storing the state of an object into the file is called as what your friend, just a pickling. That's very simple, dear. Well, but how do I write this object into the file is important. Yes, to write that object into the file, guys, to write that object into the file, there is an excellent function is provided. There is an excellent function is provided for you. So what is the function is what your friend, just a dump function is provided. Dump function from what your friend, just a pickle module. Dump function is provided from pickle what your friend, pickle module. Yes. So, but dump function required what your friend, two arguments. My dear friend, dump function required two arguments. So that is what your friend object. I mean to say, what you want to write, where do you want to write. So I want to write what your friend employee object. Where do you want to write into the file? This is what your friend, two arguments are required. So first argument is what your friend, first argument is what to write. Yes, what to dump, what to dump. Second argument is what your friend, simple, where to dump, where to dump. Where to dump is nothing but what your friend, path of the file. Path of the file. What to dump is nothing but object. Object, which one you want to dump. Yeah, very simple, dear. Very, very easy. So just what your friend, pickling is the what? Actually, pickling is the process of storing the state of an object into the file. In order to achieve the pickling, just we need to make use of the dump function from what your friend, dump function from the pickle module. But dump function required what your friend, two arguments, what to write, where to write. That's enough. Very simple here. But before this, if you want to write the objects into the file, very first step is what we need to open the file in the right binary, because now you want to store the objects. So that is the reason why if you want to write the objects into the file, my dear friend, if you want to write the objects, if you want to write the objects into the what dear friend, into the file, then we must open the file. We must open what your friend, open the file using what your friend, using right binary mode. Yes, right binary mode. This is the very first step you have to do it, my dear friend. Step one. Step 2, that is what your friend, just to write the objects. Now which object you want to write? Employee object. How can you write the employee object into the file? By using what your friend, the dump function from pickle module. What do you want to dump? Employee object. Where do you want to dump? Into the file. That's enough, my dear friend. Very simple. So process of storing the state of an object into the file is called as what your friend, pickling. In order to achieve the pickling, just we have to use the dump function from the pickle module. Dump function required what your friend, two arguments. One is what your friend, what to write and where to write. That's it, my dear friend. Let's have a look here now how to achieve this particular requirement in program. So let me open what your friend, just let me open this Python ideally. I am opening this Python. So then you have to create what your friend. First I want to create employee class, because actually we are planning to create an employee object. If you want to create an object, compulsory we must require what your friend class. That is the reason I want to do something here. I want to take the file name is what your friend just my module. I want to create one file name with what your friend my module. So my module, just okay. Now what is that? What is the scenario is, my dear friend? Then I want to define a class called what, your friend? Class called employee. Yes. In the employee class, what you want is it? I want just what, your friend? Def underscore underscore init underscore underscore what, your friend? Self. This, you know, that is a constructor. Self dot env equal to, we are prompting some data. Enter what, your friend? Enter employee number. And after this, what, your friend? I'm not doing any typecasting because I don't want to perform any manipulations on it. Now self dot ename equal to what, your friend? Input. Then next one is what, your friend? Enter employee name. Enter employee name. Next one, self dot what, your friend? Self dot salary equal to e salary equal to. Then what is the prompt you want? Enter what, your friend? Enter salary. That's enough. This is the what, your friend? Constructed under the employee class. I want to define a method to extract the data. Get employee is one method. This is the which method? An instance method. So what is my plan, my dear friend? Just I want to print envo is what, your friend? Just a self dot what, your friend? Envo. This method is meant for extracting the data from employee object. This is what, your friend? Employee name is. Again I'm writing self dot ename. And I want to print what, your friend? Just employee salary. Employee salaries, I'll be writing self dot what, your friend? E salary likewise. We have defined, ladies and gentlemen. So this is just and I created an employee class in a module called what, your friend? My module. See, you know that every individual Python script file is considered as a module. Say, let me show you. I want to save this program with what name? Already we have given some guidelines, my dear friend. I want to go with what, your friend? My module.py. That's enough. In the my module.py, we have created an employee class and employee class. That's it. I want to go with what, your friend? Just a new file. I want to achieve the pickling. Already I said you. Now I want to go with what, your friend? Just I want to write the employee object. If you want to write the employee object, first of all, you need to create an object for the class employee. So we need to create an object for the class employee. So, but class employee is available in which module? My module. Do what, your friend? Import my module. Is I created my module. Instead of the my module, I created one class called employee. So after importing the module, you know that module name is mandatory. You have to use what, your friend? Just you need to create employee. Now we are getting what, your friend? Employee object is ready. We are creating employee class constructor. We are calling the employee class constructor. Whenever the constructor is called, you know that an object of the class is going to be instantiated. So which object is created? Employee class object is instantiated. But actually this object, I want to write them into the file. But if you want to write the object into the file, what is my requirement, gentlemen? First of all, we need to open the file in write binary. If you want to write the objects and if you want to read the objects, the file should be opened in the binary mode. So right, how to open the file, gentlemen? There is a one beautiful function is provided for you is what, your friend? Open. What is the name of the file? My info is a what, your friend? This is the name of the file where you want to write the objects. My info, which mode? Write binary mode. And this is what, your friend? Referred by EF. As per the diagram, I said you, my dear friend. This is what, your friend? Just E info or my info. Yes, I'm taking like what, your friend? Rather than this, you can go with E info as per the diagram. And just what, your friend? Just now employee object is ready. Your file is also ready. What you have to do, my dear? We have to write that object into the file. We have to write that object into the file. Very easy. To write that object into the file, there is a what, your friend? Just a dump function is given for you. What you want to dump? Employee object you want to dump. Where you want to dump? Into the file. But dump is a predefined function from what, your friend? Just a pickle module. But you know, friend, if you want to use any module, first of all, we have to import that module, right? Import what, your friend? Just a pickle. That's enough. Pickle module. After writing that, very simple, I want to give a message, my dear friend. Object is what, your friend? Object is saved. Object is saved. But it's always good programming practice to close the file. Always good programming practice. Let me show you, my dear friend. This purpose is what, dear friend, this is okay. Just what, dear friend, just a pickle demo.py. Any name you can give it for your program. And after that, go to the run menu and click on what, dear friend, run module. That's enough. You can see, my dear friend. Now at the bottom of the screen is prompting you employee number 101. Employee name is what, your friend, James. Employee salary is something like what, your friend, $9,000. And press enter. You're seeing that one message is appeared in front of you is the object is saved. Really, is this object is got saved into the file? 110%. That object is saved into the file what, your friend, e-info. Where this e-info file is created in the current directory where this program is executing. Of course, even you can see where exact this file is executing, right, my dear friend. You can check it out the path where this program is executing. In the D drive Python 8:30 AM advanced Python files folder. So in this location, this file is created. Which file? E-info file. Let me show you, my dear friend. Let me show you just what exact is that really file is created or not. Then go to what, your friend, Explorer. Instead of the Explorer, D drive. Name of your folder is what, your friend, just so Python 8:30 AM. Instead of that, advanced Python. Instead of that, what, your friend, files. So this is a location where we created. E-info is the name of the file. So let me open this. But actually you have written the objects. It is somewhat difficult for you to understand because it shows you in the binary form. Because you open the file in which mode? Write binary. Write binary. That is the reason the data is displayed in the encrypted format. Even this is what, your friend, secured as well. If anybody hack this file, they can understand nothing because what, your friend, just that the data was written in the binary form. But sir, how do I write the code to read the data back? Yes, that is called unpickling. We'll do that. How to read this data back, sir? See, process of writing the object into the file is called what, your friend, just a pickling. So just what, your friend, process of reading the object from the file is called unpickle. Yes. Now just what is happening, gentlemen? So this employee object is already written into the file. This employee object is already written into the file. Now my requirement is, now what is my requirement, my dear friend? I want to write the code to read this object from the file. How to write the code to read the object from the file, gentlemen? Just let me give a, okay, just let me take a few minutes here. So this is your employee object. I want to write this object. I want to write the code to read this object then. Very simple, my dear friend. So very first step what you have to do is, that's step one, gentlemen. If you want to read the objects from the file, yeah, what is that, friend? To read, sorry, just to read the objects from the file, to read the object from the file. Okay, file, very first step. What is that now? Open the file, open the file in what, your friend, read binary mode. Yes, read binary mode, number one. Number two, to read the object, yeah, to read the object from the file, to read the object from the file, then we have to use, load method, load function from what, your friend, just a pickle module, my dear friend. So just a moment back, to write the object into the file, we have used what, your friend, dump function from pickle module. To read the object from the what, your friend, file, we have to use what, your friend, load function from the pickle module, right? But in fact, the load function will do what, your friend, just a load function required an argument from where to load, from where to read. Load function required what, your friend, in fact, load function required the file path where you want to read, and load function returns what, your friend, an object. Which object? Whatever the object is existed in the file will be extracted and it will return. Very simple, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you right now. How do I write the code to read the object from the file? Very easy. Process of reading the state of an object from the file is called unpacking. I repeat, process of reading the state of an object from the file is called what, dear friend? Unpickling. In order to achieve the unpickling, very first what you have to do, you have to open the file in the read binary mode. And after that, to get the object from the file, we have to make use of the load function from the pickle module. but the load function required an argument from where to load. But it is returning an object after extracting. Then let's have a look in practical, guys. So I want to go with what your friend just a file and going with what your friend new file. First to do what your friend step one, import what your friend just import the okay pickle module. Import what pickle module, gentlemen, pickle. Step 2, open the file, guys. Then what your friend f equal to open. Name of the file is what your friend, name of the file is einfo, or einfo is the name of the file. Which mode you want to open? Read binary mode, we want to open the file. Yes, very simple. Very easy, my dear friend. And after that, what your friend pickle a dot, what is that now? Load. From where you want to load? From the file. F. F is nothing but info. And it will load an object. And I want to store them into the one variable. Because what is there in the file info? Already a moment back, we have written an employee object. Whatever the object was written into the employee file, I mean info file, that object is extracted by the load function. That extracted object will be stored into what your friend O. Then you can see, my dear friend, O. O is an object of which class? Employee class. Then get employee. Get employee is a method from which class? Employee class. Employee class. You know, friend, already moment back in the info file, we have written what your friend employee object. Whenever the load method will load the object from where info file. But the info file is having what your friend, in fact, is having employee object. But I want to get the data from the employee object. Get employee is a predefined, get employee is a method we have defined in the employee class. You dot get employee, that's enough. Then finally, f dot what your friend close the file, f dot close. Ladies and gentlemen, let me save this program. What is the purpose, my dear friend? Just this is reading an object. Reading an object.py, any name for your choice. Then very simple, my dear friend. Go to the run menu and click on run module. Then it will open the file and get that object and displaying it. This is called what dear friend unpacking. So we can say what dear friend unpickling. So pickling and unpickling. Pickling is the what dear friend, as we seen. Pickling is the process of writing the state of an object into the file. In order to achieve the pickling, we have to use what dear friend, we have to use the dump function from the pickle module. While working with the dump function, we require two arguments, what to dump and where to dump. What do you mean by unpickling? Unpickling is a process of reading the state of an object from the file. In order to achieve the unpickling, we have to use what your friend load function from the pickle module. But the load function required a file as an argument, and it will return what your friend the extracted object. This is about what your friend just pickling and unpickling.